What is good, Ape Nation? It's Stock J back with another video, and in this one, I'm going to be talking about the one and only AMC stock and help you guys understand what happened today in terms of the price action. I'm also going to be answering the question whether AMC is about to explode, we're about to break out of this trend that we're on, or if this is a trap. Are the hedge funds trapping us? So I'm going to tell you guys what the more probable outcome is, and also do some in-depth technical analysis on AMC in this video. Now, before I say anything about AMC, however, I do have to mention some very important things first. The first thing is I'm not a financial planner. This is all for educational purposes only. So please do not take this as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, but benefits the entire Ape community as a whole. And the last thing is, if you guys can, please check out the Moomoo link down below and in the description. If you do sign up for Moomoo and deposit $100, you're not only going to qualify for up to 5 free stocks, each worth up to $3,500, but you're also going to have the opportunity to win up to $200,000 as Moomoo is giving away 200 grand for the new year. So if you want that chance, guys, check it out. Deposit $100 to get your chance. And with that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So AMC had a crazy day today. We're currently in the green, and there are a lot of people talking about the two main possibilities. Now, I do want to talk about something else that kind of relates to what AMC is doing right now first, before I go into more detail about what I think is going to happen in the future. So we've been on this falling wedge pattern for quite a bit of time, right? Now, here's the interesting thing, guys. AMC is showing signs that it really wants to break out of this, but the thing about it is that AMC has had moments where it really started to run up and it got rejected. So the problem with making that claim that we're about to explode is the fact that, look, AMC looks very bullish. I'm going to be honest with you guys, very bullish. But how do we know that the hedge funds are not tricking us, right? Because we've been here before many times. So I want to make this very clear. So the first thing you have to look at is, where are we based off this falling wedge? We're currently trading below many of the moving averages. So the main thing is, look, we're showing a lot of strength right now. The volume is picking up, and it looks like the bulls are gaining a bit of control. But the crazy thing is this right here. Look at what was reported by Ortex, guys. This is their Twitter. And check this out right here. Ortex stated that AMC and GME short interest and utilization update. Utilization in both GME and AMC hits 100% as security lending activity is increasing. So the cost to borrow is increasing rapidly, especially with GameStop. GameStop is currently up 5%, AMC 11%. And they stated this right here. So I'm going to read this to you guys real quick. Utilization of 100% means that the start of trading this morning, all available shares that were lent were already being lent out. So that means that there weren't any AMC shares available to be lent out because utilization hit 100%. So this would be a very bullish indicator if this is true. But there's some people saying it's a glitch, it's this and that. And to me, guys, I don't necessarily see it that way. Now, I don't know if this is 100% confirmed. I'm not sure what Ortex is going to say about this. But if this is true, and there are also people on Reddit, they screenshotted Ortex, right? Utilization just hit 100%. I mean, it's pretty insane how it changed 22.22% in just like a day. That's pretty insane, guys. Very crazy stuff. So what's going on with AMC if this were true? If it's true, guys, that the hedge funds have lent out as many shares as they possibly can, accompanied by this right here, right? The cost to borrow going up to 1.13, that's a very good sign for AMC, because what's happening is these shorts are in a very tough position. It's very hard for them to continuing do what they're doing as the cost to borrow money in America goes up. So I would say this scenario is more probable, right? It's more likely that we're about to explode and we're about to see a big run up. Now, the problem with saying it happening right now is that you're giving a time frame to it, right? We don't know exactly when this is going to happen. And there's for me, I believe it's going to happen, but I don't know exactly when. I don't know if it's going to happen, this week or next week or a month from now. It's going to happen eventually, right? There's so many things destroying the shorts. But the thing is, right now, at the time I'm recording this, at the time you're looking at AMC, how do we truly know we're about to explode? Could it be that the shorts want to just short AMC all the way back down? I don't truly know that. But there's some people suspecting that that's what is going on. And I just want to give you guys this possibility, right? I think some people are saying that they borrowed 100% in both so that they could sell at the highest price after the SEC meeting pump, right? So then what they're going to do is short heavily from this point and bring the price down and buy the return borrow shares. There's a chance that's what they're doing, guys. So my main point is that, look, we've never seen them borrow 100% before. I think during the AMC June run, it came close to that. Maybe it was like very close, right? So it's very suspicious what's really going on. Could it be that the hedge funds met their breaking point and they're ready to cause AMC to explode? Maybe. And here's the way I see it. If it's truly true that there are no longer AMC shares available to be lent out, and everything that's been lent out has been lent out, AMC is going to soar, guys. So the way for us to dissect the chart is we have to look at what's going to happen in the future. So we're starting to show signs we're going to break out of this wedge, and it's looking pretty strong. But the problem is, what about the future? So what could happen is they short it right back down, and we drop. I'm sorry, I think I'm supposed to have the Fibonacci here. Not sure what happened to it. There it is. Okay. There, I brought my Fibonacci here. So you can see the golden pocket is right here, right? So we want to see what happens in the next few days, guys. If AMC keeps running, it's going to look very, very bullish. But if AMC ends up dropping like tomorrow, we could see a move like this. It's possible they'll short it right back down, and then it will go to the golden pocket, trade around it for quite a bit of time, and then we retrace a little bit before we start to explode one last time. We draw, you know what I'm saying, guys? But based off my analysis, and this is the very, very good part, based off what I have been studying, based off the fact that we're seeing buying pressure, there's excitement. What I want to see, guys, is the confirmation of us breaking out of the wedge when it comes from this right here. So the reason why I'm charting it on Webull is because I'm using the Fibonacci charts on TradingView, and it's going to be a little bit hard to see this. I want to see AMC go to $20 to $22. And if we could break out of that range, guys, we're going to most likely explode. I'm talking about moon, guys, a massive, massive move to the moon. Is that possible? Yes. Is it more likely? Yes. It's more likely for that to happen than us getting shorted back down right now. But the thing is, we've been rejected so many times in AMC. So it's not 100% clear if we're ready to do that yet. It just seems more probable based off the data. Because even if utilization is 100%, it's more probable we're going to run up, right? That's the way I see it. But even if it takes a little bit longer, it's still going to run up eventually, in my opinion. But like I said before, guys, so to end the video, this is my point, okay? Anything could happen, right? It's the market. Nothing is guaranteed. These are the two possibilities, but I find this green one to be a lot more probable. So the red one, it's possible. It's something you have to be prepared for, but it's very unlikely. It's very unlikely in my opinion. But I still want to put it out there that it's possible. But I find this green one, see the green line I drew out for you guys? This bounce between the supports and resistance, this bounce between the $20 to $22 level of resistance, I find that more likely. And I think this green line right here is going to represent AMC. So that's just my opinion, guys. I want you guys to be prepared for anything. But like I said before, I find this a more likely outcome for AMC based off the volume, spiking, based off what's happening to utilization and short interest being as high as it is. I think we're getting closer, but that's what I have for this one. So thank you for listening. Have a great rest of the day. I'm still very bullish regardless of what happens in the short term. I can't wait for what the future holds. I thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. AMC to the moon, and peace out.